So welcome once again. This crypto lord Nathan. Today in this video we'll be looking at Bitcoin as in a whole. Let's listen to Tom Lee on live on CNBC News as he talks about Bitcoin and how it relates to our current market structure. It's a bull market that is coming. These are very important news that you need to listen. If you are new to our channel, give us a smash on the like button, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. So each time we drop news like this, you'll be the first one to know. Let's head things rolling, even as we listen to the first present. So let's listen to Tom Lee on live on CNBC News as he talks about Bitcoin and how it relates to our current market structure.
It looks really like it's bottoming because the fundamental story of crypto is quite positive. Davos shows banks are really embracing crypto. There's regulatory bills coming that are favorable to crypto. And in fact, we saw an announcement even today. BlackRock is going into DeFi with sort of tailwinds. I'd say that's a degen move. So crypto has a lot of sort of tailwinds, but the price action is terrible.
That is from Tom Lee, what he said about it. Lastly, he said the price action is terrible, though, but a lot of banking system and all these things will be working together to embrace the crypto things, which will cause it to be bullish. All right. So I want us to listen to this news that was really published not long ago. It says tell Winklevoss, this is a billionaire on CBNC News. He made something known.
The price of Bitcoin was $380. And so we've come a long way, but we also think it's still very much the bottom of the first inning because we see Bitcoin trading at $1 million a Bitcoin if it disrupts gold. And we think Bitcoin is gold 2.0. And I think we said the same exact thing to you about 10 years ago today. It's a Bitcoin.
So per the interviewer, Bitcoin can be seen to be trading in $1 million, which is not something new. It has been said even by Eric Trump, Donald Trump's son, and a whole lot of things are being said here. I want us to. So let's listen to the billionaire Grant Cardone. This is a well-known billionaire, of course, and then he's a millionaire. So he said something about buying over $500 million of Bitcoin. This is huge investment that will be going on into this Bitcoin as we talk about. Let's listen to him.
I've been doing this for 11 months, so I think I'll be at 10,000 coins by the end of the year. The goal used to be to have 100,000 apartments. Now the goal is 25,000 pristine apartments in perfect locations and 10,000 Bitcoin. And it's easier to do this model that I'm doing now. By the way, every 7 or 8 or 10 years, I don't have roofs and plumbing problems and siding problems and paint problems on at least the portion of the Bitcoin. I certainly have it on the buildings. But, I want the building. Michael, when I met with Michael, he says, Grant, you're not going to even want this real estate at the end. I said, dude, I appreciate you, Mike. You're a genius. I love you, bruh, but wrong. Okay? I have real estate that will be it will be around longer than Facebook. So the real estate that I'm buying today, 100 years from now, someone will live in it. Someone will pay rent. The rent won't be $4,000. The rent will be $14,000. And the rents are going to continue to grow in this country. So I have I have the real estate, I have the real usage, I have the cash flow, I have the write-offs. This last deal that we did, we wrote off $56 million in depreciation for our investors day one on a $230 million asset with $100 million worth of Bitcoin. So our Bitcoin owners, investors, actually got depreciation and tax write-offs against their earned income. And
So from billionaire Grant, he's talking about owning about 10,000 Bitcoin, which is really huge investment. As at now, you multiply by each Bitcoin price, you know that it's a huge investment that's coming on the board. So I'm here to just bring you notice about all So I'm here to bring you notice about all that will be going on in the market and things that is set to is happening currently, as you know. So thank you all for watching. Thank you for listening to Crypto Law Nation. We'll be bringing you updates soon. Bye for now.